Hi guys, it's Jeff here from TaT, just here to do the August draw for our prizes for our Share Your Solution or share uploading some good scope scan data. So thanks to 38 entries we've had from our members this month, a record. So thank you to all those people that have shared that information, be it a repair solution or good scope scan data. A fantastic response from our members. Some of the, I'm not going to name them all this time, there's too many, but Gary O'Reardon in particular with 3 lots, Daniel Armour with 4 lots from TOYOTECH, Gil Sher from Gil Auto, 5 lots, and Jack McKay from Bund Auto Care, 8 lots of good scope scan data or repair solutions. So again, bit special to those guys, but also to all the others that did share some information. Obviously we've got the Burson's border scope again, digital inspection to give away. We've got 3 of them thanks to Burson's equipment to give away this month. So let's start the draw off. We've got 3 to give out. The first winner is, let's take 1 ticket there, Dave Roberts from Dave Roberts Auto Care. Congratulations, Dave. We'll get one of those to you. Second one, we've got Richard Reed from Reed Automotive Services. Thank you, Richard. And last up, the third one, we have got, Daniel Armour from TOYOTECH. So well done, Daniel. So those 3 guys will be in touch to get those delivery out to you. Keep an eye out, keep sharing those repair solutions and that good scope scan data. We've got a special couple of prizes to give away again, courtesy of Burson's equipment for the September. So keep an eye out for that information coming forward. Big thanks to all the guys again for that sharing information. It's fantastic to see the industry sharing some information amongst ourselves as professionals. See you next time.